As a part of our international workshop, we've been to two cities, Marseille and Paris.
So we had a packaging design project in Marseille.
As a part of that, we had to do a label design for Pasties, which is a star anise-based gym. We went to the factory in Marseille where we got to look at how Pasties was made and produced. Also, we got to have a chat with the Enroll and find out the brand history and insights into the brand that were also very helpful for our design process.
We got an opportunity to interact with many people.
Got to interact with other students from other campuses.
Apart from the classroom experience, we went to a trip to an island over there, which was amazing. It was very cold, but it was super fun. We used to work all day long and then we go out to the city and then explore the Christmas market.